Hi, everyone. So, we've just introduced a brand new upgraded support option for our customer base. So, to see this, I just want to give you a quick demonstration. It's really cool. So, if you click down here where it used to say help, we've now got this icon. If you click on this, you're going to see right off the bat the option to start talking to our AI assisted assistant. Now, this AI assistant is fantastic. It's linked to our entire help desk system and is trained how to help you set up and use any part of BeeSavvy. So, for example, let's ask it a question. How do I add a staff member? So it's going to come up and it's going to instantly give you some advice on how to do that. So as you can see here, to add a staff member and BeeSavvy, follow these steps. Navigate to settings. So off to the side here in settings. Click on the My Staff and Team Management. So we can add the employee from here by clicking the Add Employee, and we can add a new team member to our team. So that's pretty awesome, right? The ability to be able to do that. So you can ask it anything you like. Now, if you need to start a new chat, click new chat. Now, if you do use this and you like the answer that it's got, click the little thumbs up. If you do unfortunately get an answer that's not quite right, hit the thumbs down because that's going to train our AI chatbot to actually do better in its finding the results for you. So let's go back. Now, one other thing that's here, we constantly get asked, how do I schedule a live Zoom call for support? Well, it's very straightforward. We've actually put together a great little tip, 4-step process here. If you go to the live chat, click on get in touch, click on the live chat, and then ask the agent for a Zoom call. It's that easy, okay? So instructions are here. To get onto a live chat, you simply click on here to get to a live chat. Now, this is where you'll be connected with one of our live agents from all around the world to give you support. Now, our agents range from level 1, 2, and 3. So when you start your conversation, the first agent's going to try and figure out what your problem is, trying to help you. They're going to send you maybe some support articles. If you feel like you want a little bit more of a hands-on solution because you like the idea of having a video call with somebody to go through and do a screen share and demonstrate, that's when you would request the live support Zoom call. Okay. Now, this is free to use for all of our members. You can jump in and use this anytime you like, 24/7. So get in and use this if you like. Now, if you want to get in touch, that's a get in touch button. Now, that's going to ask you to leave a message or do a live chat. A live chat is going to link you with the real people. Leave a message is, it's not really urgent, but I'd like to get an answer. That's when you can leave a chat with some details and someone will get back to you, okay? But if it's something you're working on right away and you need some help, maybe you're building a funnel or building an automation and you're just like, hey, I need some help. Can you help me out with this? Or I'm trying to solve this issue that I've got. That's where you'd use that live chat support, okay? So let's just go down. Let's come back into the main section. Now, we also have the ability from here to get to the knowledge base. So if you click on the knowledge base, we can scroll down and see the quick results. You can also search the knowledge base. So let's go staff and see what comes up. Here we go. How to manage, service calendar. We've got a whole bunch of different things that the word staff comes in. Be precise. Do the search with something that's got a little bit more information. You'll find the results will get better. Now, if you want to go to the entire knowledge base and do a search, you can do that too. Just click on this little button up the top, and this will load up and take you straight through to help.beesavvy.io, which is our knowledge base. And you can break it down, and we've got a great supply of information here to really help you understand and use the platform even better. Okay. So if we come back over here, we go to the back button. We have one more thing here, which is really cool. We have the ability to schedule your onboarding call. Now, everyone has the chance to use their free onboarding call. And if you just click on here, it'll take you to the booking calendar and you can schedule that onboarding call with one of our team. Okay. So we've got different time available. You can select a day. It shows the time available on the side. It gives you the time zone. Make sure you're checking the time zone is in your time zone and selecting a time that works for you. Okay. So you can see here, we've got pretty much every single day next month available to do this. There's generally about a 1 week lead time with our onboarding. So if you do need to get something in sooner, just reach out and we'll try. But in most cases, it's first in, best dressed when it comes to our onboarding services. The team spends about an hour with you going through that. And in the event that you need more assistance or you want to cover off some more things, you'll be asked if you'd like to have a second onboarding call during the end of that first onboarding call, and you'll get a link sent out to you by the agent to schedule that second call in, which is incredible. So for the purpose of what we're doing, this new help support system that we've incorporated is absolutely incredible. You can get some quick answers with the AI chatbot. You can get a live chat support. We can just do chat with the agents to try and get some assistance. You can use the knowledge base. You can schedule your onboarding call. And you can also do a live Zoom support call on request. If you've got any questions, got any concerns, or any feedback, feel free to let us know. Thank you for being a loyal BeeSavvy client.